Nonfiction reading test, Black Friday. Remember to prove all of your answers. Question 1, according to the text, why do stores set prices so low on some items that they lose money? A, they want people to enjoy the holidays. B, they hope people will buy other gifts while they are in the store. C, they are in a giving mood because the holiday season is just beginning. D, they are trying to get rid of old items from last year to make room for the new items. Question 2. Which is not true about Black Friday? A, Black Friday is always the day after Thanksgiving. B, Black Friday is the busiest shopping day of the year. C, Black Friday is a national holiday. D, Black Friday is the start of the holiday shopping season. Remember, you can pause, go back and prove your answers, and then continue. Question 3. Where does the name Black Friday come from? A, the police called this day Black Friday because there is a lot of traffic. B, the stores called this day Black Friday because it is a serious shopping day. C, the police called this day Black Friday to remember the victims of violence. D, the stores called this day Black Friday because they make a lot of money. 4. Which best explains the main idea of the third paragraph? A, people stand in long lines on Black Friday. B, Black Friday is the best time of the year to get good deals. C, Black Friday is a really disappointing time of the year. D, Black Friday deals are limited and not everyone will get one. 5. Which country does not participate in Black Friday? A, France. B, Costa Rica. C, Brazil. D, the United Kingdom. 6. What happened first? A, stores tried to rename the day after Thanksgiving Big Friday. B, Black Friday events began happening in Australia. C, police began calling the day after Thanksgiving Black Friday. D, Black Friday became the busiest shopping day of the year. 7. Which title best expresses the author's purpose in writing this text? A, Black Friday, Stories from the Parking Lot. B, Black Friday, Why Should You Go This Year? C, Black Friday, The Stuff That You Should Know. D, Black Friday, How to Save Money on the Big Day. 8. Which best describes the overall structure of the 5th paragraph? A, chronological order. B, problem and solution. C, compare and contrast. D, order of importance. 9. Which was not cited as one of the downsides of Black Friday? A, stores run out of high-demand items quickly. B, nobody really saves any money on Black Friday. C, there are large crowds and lots of shoving. D, sometimes violence occurs at Black Friday events. 10. Which best explains why Costa Ricans call Black Friday Viernes Negro? A, Costa Rican stores don't want the shopping day associated with American violence. B, Viernes Negro sounds more exotic and exciting than Black Friday. C, Costa Ricans want to establish their own shopping tradition. D, this is how you say Black Friday in Spanish, the language of Costa Rica. The next are long response questions. How do stores try to lure shoppers during Black Friday events? Use the text to support your response. Pause, answer, and then resume. Question 2. Long response question. Why is Black Friday a frustrating experience for some people? Refer to the text in your answer. Pause this, answer it, and then resume. Question 3. Why is violence more likely to occur in a store on Black Friday? Use the evidence from the text to support your response. Next story is a poem, My Shadow. Question 1. The speaker in the poem is a child who A, likes to play outside, B, does not see why he needs his shadow, C, understands why his shadow is important, D, does not like to go outside. Question 2. Which of these lines from the poem rhyme? F, lines 4 and 5, G, lines 11 and 12, H, lines 14 and 16, J, lines 6 and 8. 3. What does the speaker's shadow do when he jumps in the bed? A, the shadow jumps before him. B, the shadow grows with him. C, the shadow makes a fool of him. D, the shadow stays at home. Question 4, read this dictionary entry. Shoot. Shoot, verb. 1, to flow forcefully. 2, to kick, hit, or throw. 3, to film or photograph something. 4, to move quickly in a particular direction. Which meaning is the best match for the word shoots as it is used in line 7 of the poem? F meaning 1, G meaning 2, H meaning 3, J meaning 4. Question 5. This is an example of a narrative poem because it has lines that do not rhyme. A. B. It tells a story. C. It is funny. D. It is like a song. 6. Read these lines from the poem. Line 11. He stays so close beside me. He's a coward you can see. 12. I'd think shame to stick to Nursey as that shadow sticks to me. The poet includes these lines in the poem to most likely show F, that the speaker is ashamed of the shadow, G, that the speaker loves his shadow, H, that the speaker is bored with his shadow, J, that the speaker is scared of his shadow. 7. In the last stanza, why does the shadow stay in bed? A, he is scared. B, he is sick. C, it is still dark outside. D, it is too sunny. Remember to prove all of your answers. Good luck.